Hello students, today we are here to solve problems based on linear equations. But before we start today's lecture, let me introduce myself and my institute before you. EdunoTech Private Limited is an institute which works towards betterment of students' academic career. We do not behave like a typical coaching institute but act as a guiding force. We also hold various level competitive and scholarship examination to give exposure to students about competitive exams and also help them financially in even the remotest area of our country. I am Shubha Patel and I have done my schooling from Delhi Public School Prayagraj and I am currently in BTech third year Mechanical Engineering from JSS Academy of Technical Education, Noida. Now, let us start today's class. We get these kind of questions very easily in exams of banks and SSC. So, there will be certain relation given to you between numbers, real numbers or rational numbers like fractions, and then you will be forced to find what was the original number. Okay, so here we have question. Let us first read the question. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 if 2 is added to both of its numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both of its numerator and denominator, it becomes 2 by 5. Find the fraction. So any fraction we know is in the form of a by b, where a and b are real numbers. A and b are real numbers and b not equals to 0. Any fraction in general is this form. So let us suppose our fraction is a and b. This is our assumption. Let us assume the fraction to be a by b. It is saying if a fraction becomes 1 by 3 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. This is numerator, this is denominator, and it is saying if we add 2 to both the numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 3. So let us add 2 in both the numerator and denominator. A is numerator and b is denominator. I have added 2 in both numerator and denominator, and it says it becomes 1 by 3. Then it goes on to say if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, then the fraction becomes 2 by 5. So now I am adding 3 to both the numerator and denominator. Why I am adding to both the numerator and denominator? Because the question is saying, if it would have said I am adding 3 only to the numerator or doing something else in the denominator, then I would have done that. But the question itself is saying that I am adding 3 to both the numerator and denominator. The fraction becomes 2 by 5. Now we have to simplify this. How can we simplify this? 3a plus 6 is equals to b plus 2. 3a minus b is equals to minus 4. Now 5a plus 15 is equals to 2b plus 6. 5a minus 2b is equals to minus 9. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now we will use elimination method, of course, to find the solution as soon as possible. Now I wish to remove b, because if we multiply 2 this side and 2 and nothing, if we don't do anything on this side and just multiply 2 this side, then we can easily subtract the variable b. So I am multiplying 2 in the first equation. So this equation becomes 6a minus 2b minus 8. Now I want to remove this equation from this equation or subtract this equation from this equation, then I have to just change the sign and add them. So this becomes 5a plus 2b is equals to plus 9. Okay. Now this is cancelled. 6a minus 5a is equals to a. 8 minus 9 is equals to 1. So a is 1. Put a in any of these equations. I will put a in this equation or any 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 options to put the equation. A in any equation, find the value of b. Let us put it in this equation. 3 into 1 plus 6 is equals to b plus 2. So 3 plus 6 is equals to b plus 2. From here we have got b is equals to 3 plus 6, 9, 9 minus 2, 7. So our fraction is what we assumed our fraction to be, a by b. What is the value of a? Value of a is 1 and value of b is 7. So the required fraction is this and this is our answer. This is how we solve such kind of questions. We will also take another question so as to make it even more clear for us. sum of numerator and denominator of a fraction is less than twice the denominator. It is talking about fraction, so let us assume the fraction to be a by b, and a will be numerator and b will be denominator. It is saying sum of numerator and denominator is less than 2 times 3 less than 2 times twice the denominator. Twice the denominator, 2 into b minus 3 is equals to sum of numerator and denominator. Then it goes on to say, if each of the numerator and denominator is decreased by 1, a minus 1 and b minus 1, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. So we have to find the fraction. How can we do that? We have this equation 1 and equation 2, but these are not in simplified form. So first we will simplify these equations. So let us simplify this one. A minus b is equals to minus 3, and this will become 2a minus 2 is equals to b minus 1. 2a minus b is equals to 1. So this is our equations. We wish to remove b from here. So it is easy. Let us subtract 1 from 2. To subtract 1 from 2, change the sign of 1 and write it below 2. Minus a plus b is equals to 3. Now subtract 2a minus a is a, and 1 plus 3 is 4. Now a we have as 4. Put a is equals to 4 in any of these 4 equations. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a in any of these equations. For example, I am putting it here. So a is equals to 4 minus b is equals to minus 3. b becomes 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. What is our fraction? Our fraction is a by b. A is 4 and b is 7. So this is our answer. This is how we solve questions based on linear equations problem. Thank you very much for watching our video.